Hey, welcome back, man. This is season 2. Season 1. Season 1, episode 2 of Raw, Real, Unfiltered, Unscripted. You know what I'm saying? And hey, my desk is still dirty as ever, as you can see. But hey, man, I'm excited to be here. Excited to share with you guys how my week went for 2/17 through 2/21. Okay, and so, man, last week, man, I found that it was kind of tough for me. I had allergies all week, you know what I'm saying? And I had 2 big projects that I wanted to get done before I go into the next week. And I always do that. I always start with projects during the week that I'm seeking to get done that week, you know what I'm saying? And so, with this said, I had allergies all week, man, was slumming, bumming around, and all that stuff. It was very frustrating for me. Because I love to get stuff done. I'm a to-do person. And so with that said, I actually on Saturday, I love Friday nights, you know what I'm saying, when my part-time job is over Saturday and I'm starting my weekend on Fridays. I hang out with my family and all that good stuff. I go to bed early and then I wake up. I go to bed late. Well, actually, I go to bed, I fall asleep sometimes on Friday. But when I do, I wake up on Saturday morning and I spend the hours. I think I woke up at like 2 o'clock in the morning on Saturday and spent that time from that time all the way to 1 p.m. that day on Saturday. Man, was really grateful for that day because I finished both of those projects, 2 of those projects that I was trying to get done during the week on Saturday. Go figure. So Sunday comes around and I'm a big faith person. I'm a faith-oriented person. And so with that said, one of the things that I really believe in is to rest, relax, and reflect on Sundays, okay? And so in me reflecting about my past week, I noticed that I spent a lot more time at my part-time job than I normally would have, any other week. So with that said, that helps me to see that, man, I need to adjust. So let's say on Monday, I come up and I have 5 different things that need to be tackled that day, but maybe only 2 of them are just as important or that need immediate action. The other 3, I can move to like Tuesday for my part-time job. And so that's what I mean that I noticed in regards to that. And so I'm a solopreneur. Also during the week too as well, I reflected that my mind, that I was having a lot of battles and doubts in my mind because you have a lot of that. Every day is a challenge for you as an entrepreneur. Every day you have to kind of work through your mental thoughts, where you're at. And that's why it's so key to protect your thoughts. And also in the morning when you immediately get up, my routine is I do Bible study. The other thing that I do is some of the projects that I finished that I definitely want to share with you and show you those 2 projects which were very huge and major for me. If you can see my book here, I got Focus 2020. I got my business focus stuff right here. And the important stuff about this business focus, and I got I Am Statements 2020. These are the projects that I was seeking to finish because I'm a very organized person and all that good stuff. So with that said, this is amazing. Let me just read some of it to you. Like my Business Focus 2020, this is something that I want to constantly look over and over again. Like one is I got a bunch of scriptures here, but then I got something as simple as, if you live for their acceptance, you will die from their rejection. And that came from Lecrae Moore. He's a Christian. All right, he's a hip hop artist. Lecrae Moore, look him up. He said, if you live for their acceptance, you will die from their rejection. And I just that's something very huge for me. Another stuff I put on here is like my audience. What am I inspired by? What should my focus be on? Focus on giving people amazing value. Focus on getting better every day. Focus on building my business every day. Focus on putting out good content on YouTube. In my videos, the 2 emotions that I want to invoke is inspiration and humor. Focus on things that I know now that other people don't know. that's the value that I'm going to be, kind of giving away. Never focus on money. Stories sell and facts tell. So that's kind of my business focus. There's so much more on here. I'm just giving you guys a little bit. I got I am statements here because, like I said, the battle's in the mind. So here's some I am statements that I have. I am an inspirational speaker / coach, encourager. That's who I am naturally. I am a communicator or wordsmith, a teacher of complex to simple. I'm a teacher, and my teaching style is music, movies, and media. So as you guys can see, I can go on and on and on. With these different things, and this is part of the project that I was finishing. And the reason why that's so important for you to do is to, for me, business focus and also my I am statements for 2020 is that these things I want to focus on for this year. And you know how we get distracted. I am a self-diagnosed ADHD person. I self-diagnose myself that way. Therefore, with that said, I need this. I need a business focus for 2020 to keep me on track. If not, I'm going to veer off to the left, veer off to the right. I need the I am statements. And I share those things to say every morning after I do my Bible study and stuff like that. And before I'm about to work on my projects, I read that to myself to remind myself, because the battle's in the mind. You got to protect that from naysayers, other people, and all that stuff. And so anyway, man, that's my message for today. I'm not going to keep rambling on, but man, it was a sludgery of a week, Monday through Friday, but Saturday and Sunday, man, it redeemed it. It brought it all back. So with that said, man, this is, season 1, episode 2. You know what I'm saying? And again, there's nothing that, that I'm wanting you to actually do in this video. I just want you to consume and kind of realize the realness that comes with entrepreneurship, the ups and downs, the ebbs and flows, and the realities, so that you won't be duped when you start going along this path and this journey and seeking to, and my encouragement to you is to learn to enjoy the process. So with that said, man, hey, this is Artiz Strouds signing out. I'm a life coach and an entrepreneur, seeking to inspire others to find their God-given gift to give to the world. And also those entrepreneurs that are seeking to, develop and go beyond there, to learn about the mindset and mechanics of entrepreneurship so that they can excel forward. Anyway, that's me. Take care. Good talking to you. Please subscribe. Tell me one thing you got from this video, and also share with one other person that you think would be blessed from this content. All right, take care. Peace.